Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use this cup that Brian from Spontaneous Creation by Brian made them, and they work together with Doris from Doris at DF Designs, and he called that one Doris Waterfall Cup, I think. And that's why I will try to do kind of a waterfall pour. So, and paints that I will use. I want some Prussian phtalo Amsterdam negative space, and this is my consistency. Probably not the best one. And the second one that I will use is phtalo iridescent copper. It leaves the mound and disappears. And the next one that I will use is Carnation pink, so I didn't want to use just white. So I decided on Carnation pink instead. And in the last one I will add my Prussian blue again, because I don't know, and of course I will lift my canvas, and I will probably add less of this blue here just to have a little stripe of blue there too. So I will start pouring my paint in, so hope that my consistency is not too thick, because I'm kind of used on thick consistency. So and copper. And Carnation pink. And blue again, but maybe not the whole lot. Or I don't know, it's the first time that I try that. So my cup is done. And I'm working on 8 by 20 inch canvas, and I will lift it up and pour some of this blue. Probably I should do this part afterwards on the sides. Just want to have paint here when the paint will flow. And it depends how if you would pour this way, it would be different. You have a glare. Better? I think so. But I will pour it this way, so let's see what will happen. Maybe I will have just a ton of blue paint. Obviously, this is not a good idea. So I will pour some copper and Carnation here, because just goes over these other colors and I don't get anything out, so let's do now. Oop, didn't want to do that. Obviously some problems. Oh, so because this happened, I will have to just kind of drag a line through here, probably. Just don't know what I was thinking about. I'm just looking for some, not askew or something, a little more like that maybe. This, and I will just drag through the middle here. I don't know if I like that now. Let's tilt this. Definitely I would have my wings if I wouldn't mess it around that stage, but now it is what it is. I don't like this middle part. I will just pour some of this blue here in the middle. So obviously it's playing time again for me. And now it's even worse. I messed it up. I have to think. I will just go once more. So I will pour my blue and copper. Sorry, maybe some of you will like this, but I just think that I need a little something different. So let's do what we did the last time with blue and some copper and some carnation pink. Okay, I will just grab a little taller cup to put it under, because I think that I need more of a fall. Or how can I say? This is what I was kind of hoping for, but I would love to have some negative space, so I will try to pour blue around the pattern here. Here is not so bad, I think. I will just tear this part off. Let's see where the weight of the paint is. Want to tilt as much as this part off as I can, because now I have to work on my composition and I didn't like it before. Okay, good enough. I don't mind about those on the sides. No, I'm happy because it has kind of galactic look now and I like it. So here is the dried result. This painting really came to life when it's dry. I really like those dots. I like the whole look. I like this one bigger dot, and I like the colors now. I should have left it in one stage like it was, but because I had some particular look in my head, I just ruined it in the middle, but at the end it turned out a beautiful painting. So I'm happy. Check the links below for the waterfall cup if you want to buy one and try it. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.